Imagine a giant wall of ice taller than the Statue of Liberty. Now picture it stretching for miles, a dazzling blue against the stark landscape. This is the Perito Moreno Glacier, a natural wonder of Argentina. Located in Los Glaciers National Park, it is a powerful reminder of nature's grandeur. This glacier is a popular tourist destination that receives thousands of visitors annually. The glacier is a living, moving river of ice. It advances slowly but relentlessly, sometimes even blocking the flow of a nearby lake. This creates a dramatic spectacle as the pressure builds and eventually causes the ice dam to rupture. The thunderous roar of the breaking ice is an unforgettable experience. The Perito Moreno Glacier is immense. It stretches over 90 miles in length and towers 200 feet above the water. This makes it one of the largest glaciers in South America. What makes this glacier unique is that it is one of the few in the world that is still advancing. Most glaciers are retreating due to climate change. The glacier is located in a region called Patagonia. Patagonia is a land of rugged mountains, windswept plains, and icy glaciers. It is a land of extremes where the forces of nature are on full display. The Perito Moreno Glacier is not just a pretty sight. It plays a crucial role in the ecosystem. The glacier acts as a natural dam, regulating the flow of water in the region. This is important for both wildlife and human populations downstream. The glacier is a major tourist attraction. It brings in much-needed revenue to the local economy. People come from all over the world to witness its beauty and power. They hike near the glacier, take boat trips, and even go ice trekking on its surface. Climate change is a major threat to the glacier. As global temperatures rise, glaciers around the world are melting at an alarming rate. This could have devastating consequences for the environment and for people. To protect the glacier, it's crucial to address climate change. This means reducing our carbon footprint by using less energy, driving less, and supporting sustainable practices. We can all play a part in protecting this natural wonder by educating ourselves and others about the importance of glaciers and the threats they face. We can help ensure that this magnificent glacier continues to inspire awe and wonder for generations to come.